All right, so here is the Razer PWM PC fan controller, quite small. Let's take a look. And to clarify, this is just gonna be an unboxing. I bought all these components. I'm gonna build a Razer focused desktop, but in the meantime, it'll take me a little bit to get all that done. And I wanted to get these out there, so, because I didn't see much information on these when I was looking originally. So here's just gonna be a video of the unboxing. I'll have a full video on my main channel later. All right, let's crack this bad boy open. So, of course, Razer booklet, standard, the USB header, and then it powers through micro USB. And then we have this plug that connects to your SATA cable. And let's look at the main event. Really not much. I mean, it's small. I do have a big hand, but very small. On this side, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. On this side, we have 1. So you can hook up to 8 fans to the single controller here. I thought there was gonna be mounting screws or something. There's no mounting screws or anything, so he's kind of got to stick. It looks like it's metal. Is that a magnet? Yeah, the booklet says there's a magnet. So yeah, so on this side, you plug in your SATA cable, and then over here, you plug in your micro USB cable, and then you just plug your fans in here, and then hopefully it all works through the magic of Synapse. I do have a fan over here. This is the Razer Kunai fan. This cable would plug right into one of these here. Of course, we got the Razer logo on there. So yeah, looking forward to getting this build up and running. So.